In this video, I'll show you how to activate a subdomain for your course platform. Now, quick recap. When you first created your account, you had to set up a subdomain or website URL. That got added to the OnlineCourseHost.com domain. But maybe you want to use your own domain instead. Totally possible, and I'll walk you through it. First, log into your site. Head to admin, then domain name. Under My Custom Domain, click Custom Domain. You'll see a box where you can start the activation process. But before you jump in, a couple of things. You've got to own the domain name already. You'll need 3 tabs open: your course site, your DNS provider, and dnschecker.org. That's where we'll check if your records are actually propagating. Got those? Cool. Let's do this. Type your subdomain in the box, something like courses.onlineschool.com, no spaces. Tick the box that says you own it, then hit Start Activation. Now you'll see a CNAME record. Copy the one under subdomain. Go over to your DNS Manager and paste it under name or host. Important. Strip off your domain name from the end, leave only the subdomain bit like courses or academy. Why? Because DNS managers automatically add your domain name to the end. If you leave it, you'll end up with a weird double domain situation. Next, choose CNAME as the record type. Back in your course site, click the record under Value. Copy that and paste it into your DNS Manager under Value, Target, or Data, whatever yours calls it. For TTL, that's Time to Live. Set it to 60 seconds if you can. If not, just pick the lowest option or the default. Then hit Save. Now let's check if it's working. Copy the subdomain, go to dnschecker.org, select CNAME, and search. If it's propagating, you'll see check marks. If not, you'll see red X's. Just give it more time. Once it's propagating, go back to your site and click Check Certificate. You'll get another CNAME record. This one's different. The first record you added was for SSL, that's the security padlock, and this second one makes sure your courses actually load on your domain. Copy the value for the second record. Back to your DNS Manager, paste it under Data, Target, or Value. Enter your subdomain and host or name, pick CNAME again, set your TTL, and save it. Check it on dnschecker.org. This one usually takes 10 to 20 minutes. If you try to check your site too early and get an error, don't panic. Just wait a bit. When it's done, click Check Website. Boom, your subdomain should now be live. Open it in a fresh tab to be sure everything's working. And hey, if you ever want to change your custom domain, just click Reset Domain, enter the confirmation code, and wait 10 minutes before adding the new one. One last thing, don't delete any of the DNS records you've added. Those keep your domain running smoothly.